Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a GMC Yukon key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. This common battery type is readily available at most electronics stores. Having a clean, well-lit area is crucial to avoid misplacing any tiny components. This simple task usually takes less than 5 minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership and some money. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or indentation, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. This is your entry point. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you can pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be patient and apply steady pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or even a photo of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, carefully insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, often marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click, confirming that the fob is securely closed. Once reassembled, head to your GMC Yukon and test all the key fob's functions. Verify that the lock, unlock, and any other buttons are working correctly. You've successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.